घुवळी वक्ताच्या आड जागृताय हाडपाक गोंय पुलिशेन कार्यावळ तशेंच रॅली आयोजीत केल्ली। तरणे पिळगेन घुवळी वक्ताच्या भकीक पडून आपले जिवीत इबाड करचें न्हय म्हण गोंय पुलिशेन कार्यावळ आयोजीत केल्ली। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनाली।
जो मेलो नहीं तो गेलो वयर. Other than Mahatma Gandhi, I think nobody remembers anybody who is dead. ते गेले ते फक्त ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंटान वाचपाचें. तूं जर व्हडलो पत्रां मिनेर आहा जाल्यार व्हडल्यो फूल प्लेज ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट येता, याद येता म्हणटाची वर्सांनी. Otherwise nobody remembers one who is dead. But one who is alive and roaming in the society, smoking 30 cigarettes per day, आणि सगळ्यांक सांगत भोंवता ना रे कांय जायना तुका, आपण आसा न्ही हांगा, आपलो आजो आहा म्हणटालो 85 वर्सां पर्यंत सिगरेटी वडटा, कांय जावना. See, there are some genetic power which saves you some things. But one who is dead, that means 50% death chances are there if you smoke 30 cigarettes per day. And that is highest. 10 cigarette odap is highest compared to all the other causes of death.
Now this drug addiction is a very, very serious problem. It starts at the adolescent age when the children also do not know what they should do, because that's the time they have a fascination and excitement to know new things. The documentary which was shown, you have seen how the addiction starts among the youths. So today we are on the this main function is organized to make awareness, and I am very sure each one of you will spread this message at least to 10 to 20 people, so that we could cover a larger part of the society.
Give attention to your kids. I'm asking the parents very, very, very deeply here. Give attention to your children. If you want them to be somebody, and the best part about our parents today, I've realized many parents, खूप जणा, आपले जे आकांक्षा आसा, our ambitions let us put on our children. आम्ही जे जाऊन पावले ना ती ताणी जावचे म्हणून तांचेर इतलो प्रेशर घालप. They should be able to handle that pressure, no? After all, they come from your blood. If you couldn't do it, how much can they do? Kitle, how are you going to push them? Look at them, study them. ल्हानपणापासून ते खंय पावल घालता, कितें आवडटा तांकां, खंयच्या वटेन चलता ती. You know, do they want to become a doctor? They'll show it to you when they are almost 10, 12 years, you'll start seeing it. By the time they're 15, you'll know where to, give them the push. तुमकां जाय ते ambitions तांचेर थोपू नाकात. ते खूब त्रास जाता भुरग्याक.